In the state of Illinois, all counties bill real estate taxes 1 year in arrears, which means we get billed 1 year after for the previous year's tax obligations. As most municipalities in the state face financial difficulties, a common avenue for recouping their losses has been through increasing real estate taxes. By law, if your real estate taxes don't get paid, you face eventually losing your property if your taxes go unpaid for a long enough period of time. When a seller sells their property at any point during the year, they must provide a cash credit from their money they are receiving at closing based on the number of days that have passed in the current year. The buyers use those funds to pay the next year's bill from that money, with the bill eventually being paid by them directly or through their future mortgage payments. If a senior citizen or a disabled veteran has owned the property, there inevitably will be a substantial increase from the current tax amount when the property changes hands. Also, if a neighborhood is facing reassessment, in order to have the property values reflect the current increased values, a substantial increase may be ahead. During the time period I'm given in the contract to review the past history, as your attorney, I can demand a fair result in your favor as opposed to sticker shock when the next year's tax bill arrives. The treasurer has no sympathy and will want the bill paid no matter how much it has increased. Lastly, if you are selling your property in the near future, call me to confirm if your village or city has a leaving town tax called a transfer tax. I don't want you to be shocked if your check is lower at your closing because you did not know.